How to change name on TikTok before 7 days. So what you can do is go to your phone settings and search for the date and time. So go ahead and turn off set time automatically and then set the date to where it has been 7 days after you have changed your name. So just tap on it and then turn it up to where it has been more than 7 days. And then set the time as well and then click on OK. So once you do that, go ahead and restart your phone and then try to change your name on TikTok. So if this doesn't work for you, go ahead and open your TikTok and then tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Go to settings and then here you'll see report a problem. So tap on that. So go ahead and click on my accounts and settings and then click on editing profile. So you'll see the option of updating account name. So tap on that. So here click on no and then click on need more help. So go ahead and type something like I have accidentally changed my name and I would like to change it back even though it hasn't been 7 days, or I'd like to change my name to something else even though it hasn't been 7 days. Please help me to solve this as soon as possible, and you can go into as much detail as you like. And you can even upload a screenshot here by tapping on this photo icon. And once you have written your feedback, go ahead and click on submit. And then TikTok team should get back to you and then you'll be able to change your name before 7 days.